All right, let's dive right into this explainer on the Engineering Downloads 3-month simulation internship program. So ask yourself, what kind of real-world portfolio do you actually need to land that dream job? Well, this program focuses entirely on your chosen field to guarantee a personalized, job-ready portfolio. It's all about striking that perfect balance between hardcore engineering theory and actually clicking the software. To make that happen, they back your learning with 4 super robust support pillars. First up, a guaranteed refund policy. They're totally confident in the practical value you'll get. Second, you get dedicated HPC access. Run those heavy simulations without needing some crazy expensive laptop. Third, expect weekly expert meetings. You'll get real feedback on your setups, solver stability, and results. And fourth, you get full guided access to engineering downloads, files, packages, and courses all throughout. This fast-paced 3-month roadmap takes you straight from day one onboarding right up to your final capstone. You'll learn exactly how pros set up, solve, verify, improve, and report on complex simulations. By the end, you'll walk away with an official certificate and 2 physical portfolio-ready projects. Ready to start bidding? Message them on WhatsApp or Telegram. Could this completely transform your career?